This is Blake, and he's 4 years old. And today we've brought his new DJI Neo 2 to the bike park for the first time, and we're testing out ActiveTrack. To be fair, I'm not sure it's realistic to expect modern technology to keep up with an absolute unit and genetic freak like my son, but it does pretty well, until the end. ActiveTrack does fairly well. Collision avoidance, extremely questionable. You can see from this video, at no point does the smile ever leave his face. Here it becomes obvious that the Neo 2 is clearly no match for his speed and agility. And it bonks him in the head. Thanks for watching.